system confirms optimal muscle tone and gland health, validating the raw material's readiness for high-yield venom production.
We need to schedule the Process A subjects for extraction within 24 hours.
And ensure the Process B group is routed to the high-humidity chambers.
The high-resolution imaging confirms the biological state. Spectral analysis ensures peak health before the milking procedure and commitment to Process A.
The specialized glass collection funnel undergoes automated steam sterilization and UVC exposure. And in
Process A, milking sequence initiated.
Safety interlocks engaged. Parameters are optimal.
Confirmed. Operational readiness achieved. The automated milking sequence for the King Cobra anti-venom serum base, model O-H5, achieves optimal yield with robotic precision. Scan complete. Heart rate and thermal stable.
Baseline confirmed. Procedure successful.
The clarified golden venom is pumped through a series of progressively finer ceramic and polymer filtration membranes. The pressure differential across the membranes is maintaining.
Confirmed. The flow rates are optimal for the O-H5 serum base.
The model O-H5 receives its final labeling,
confirming the requirement for ultra-low temperature storage to maintain the stability of the serum base.
The initial cleaning bath utilizes gentle ultrasonic waves to loosen microscopic residue.
The shed skin is sequentially washed with ultra-pure, deionized water. High-pressure microjets of sterile air
The model O-H5 urine.
The King Cobra Anti-Venom Sealed Hard Venom Serum Bottle.
The finalized King Cobra anti-venom serum base, model O-H5, exits the humid processing zone.
I have the product B King Cobra samples for Lab 4.
Thank you. Received and logging. To use. The genomic data confirms the breakthrough findings on the O-H5
and
model.
the consistency of these factory samples
is outstanding.
Check the manifest for O-H5 product B.
Confirmed.
Lot numbers match the sterilization certificates.
Here is the shipment, ma'am. Please sign to confirm the cold chain.
Temperature is stable. Thank you. I will sign now.
Evidence. The regeneration markers on the O-H5 sequence are highly active.
And the structural analysis confirms the
The microstructure analysis confirms the efficacy of product B, our O-H5 anti-venom.
Pay close attention to these cellular structures. This specific morphology allows for the high-yield production of the anti-venom serum.
The dual product pipeline is complete. The sterilized King Cobra skin samples are now securely stored, ready for distribution.